Navigating to your online or synchronous course sessions with your instructor is relatively straightforward once you access your Blackboard courses at Owens Community College. First, start by accessing Ozone and accessing Blackboard from the link provided in your My Ozone page. Next, click under My Courses to any one of the courses where you're required to attend a web meeting or session. Once you've accessed your Blackboard course, navigate to the left-hand side in the course menu. Within the course menu, which is located in dark gray with links in white font, you should find Web Meetings. Click Web Meetings to access the Blackboard Collaborate Ultra tool page. Once you've accessed Blackboard Collaborate Ultra tool page, you will see a black bar of sessions and a list of sessions that your instructor has created, or you might just see simply the course room. As directed by your instructor, click the name of the session that you're required to attend, and in the pop-up that appears on the right-hand side, click the Join Session button. This will open the Collaborate or Web Meeting session in a separate Internet tab. Please ensure while you're waiting for the course session to load that you do have audio and video capabilities, or that you do have the ability to hear on your computer using speakers. If you have issues with audio or visual capabilities, please ensure you are using Google Chrome as the preferred internet browser when attending an online session in this tool. At the center bottom, when you first arrive on the screen after going through the tutorial, you should see 4 or 3 icons at the bottom. The first icon on the lower left center portion of your screen is the My Status and Settings icon. If you click on the My Status and Settings icon, several options appear, and primarily you can quickly provide feedback to the presenters based on these icon buttons. You can also see your experience indicator indicating your internet connection and whether or not you might be experiencing a drop in internet connectivity. You can also choose to leave the session or indicate to the participants or instructor that you have stepped away from your computer during their live session. Next, to the right, you should see another circle button that has a microphone icon with a line through it. This indicates that your microphone has been muted, but you do have the capability to turn on your audio by clicking the button. Once you click the Share Audio button, your audio will appear in green, and you should see the microphone icon moving up and down as your audio is recorded. Next, if you see a camera icon with a line through it, you can click the camera icon to turn on your webcam and record your video as your session continues. If you do not see the video camera or the audio microphone icon, it means that those restrictions have been placed on you as the student and can be enabled later on by your instructor. If you have a question during a session with your instructor or other participants, by clicking the Raise Hand icon, it allows a notification to be sent to the instructor that you have a question during the session. They can lower your hand, or you can lower your hand by clicking the button again to deselect and make the icon white. If at any time you would like to communicate with everyone in the chat, navigate to the lower right-hand side purple Collaborate panel and click to expand the panel and see the 4 main icons across the center bottom. When you open the Collaborate panel, you will see a chat, an Everyone chat, and a text box where you can type in the name of another participant or instructor to chat with privately. Your instructor may supervise private chats. If you click on the Everyone chat room, you'll see a purple outlined text box where you can type in something to the rest of the group and press Enter for your text to be submitted. You can also click the emoji smiley face to the right-hand side to expand the emojis menu bar and search for emojis, or select an emoji to add to the chat. The Attendees panel allows you to see all users that are participating in the session and also see if their experience might be having issues. If your instructor chooses to share content, in the Share Content area, you will see what is being shared, but you will not be able to modify or locate other parts of the session that is being shared. If you're experiencing audio or visual issues, navigate to the My Settings icon at the bottom right-hand side, which is the last icon in the lower right. Clicking My Settings allows you to add a user profile image under or next to your name. You can also, under the audio and video settings, choose to go through the setup of your camera and microphone again. If you're seeing that your purple bar is not moving, the progress bar is not going to be purple, choose the drop-down menu and select a different type of communication device on your computer. If you choose an option where the bar does not turn purple, select and continue to try other options of audio on your computer until you can see the purple progress bar. When you see the purple progress bar, you can click Yes, it's working. If you do not see the purple progress bar appear as you talk, choose No, I need help to be redirected to the help page. Once you've chosen Yes, it's working for both the audio and the video preview, you'll be redirected back to the chat, and the icons for audio and or video will be turned off by default. You will need to manually turn them back on in order to share audio and video. If you do experiencing any questions or issues with a session in Web Meetings or Blackboard Collaborate Ultra, please contact the Owens Help Desk either by filing an online help desk ticket or contacting them by phone.